everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool, one of my favorite body styles, 1965 Ford Falcon Convertible. Awesome little car, guys, finished in raven black. I apologize, they're mowing the lawn. They've got everything blowing up in the air here, so this thing's gonna be dusty in 2 seconds. But beautiful car, man. Again, finished in raven black. It's got a two-tone custom red and black interior. Beautiful paint on this car. You can see it's got a set of aftermarket 17-inch, like a torque thrust wheels. They're called OE wheels. Good looking wheel, new rubber. Car was restored about 4 or 5 years ago. I did not ask him what the miles were on the car. I'm assuming, like I say, last 4 or 5 years, probably not a ton of miles on it. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. Not a whole lot to nitpick. There's a few trim pieces. Like if you look at this grille, this is original, so it's going to show some age a little bit. But look at that paint. And again, I apologize, guys. That's just doggone grass clippings as he's buzzing around out here. Nice car though, hits the road good. Pretty paint, man. This car was actually a factory silver car with red interior. But, as I always say, that's what makes hot rodding hot rodding. You build what you like. Again, two-tone interior. I've got red mats on the way. Those Ford mats are in it. You might like them, but it's going to come with a set of red Falcon mats. Again, pretty paint. It's got it. Well, we've got some pictures with the top up too. It's got a brand new canvas top. Again, if you've watched my videos before, you know that there should be a body line on a convertible. We see this more than we don't, actually. They filled it in, which causes that little crack right there. It's like that on both sides. Not real sure what. Well, I always say that. I do know why body men do that. They don't like the line. You see that piece of trim there is original. That's why they fill it in. But the problem is it actually serves a purpose. If you look inside that body line on a convertible, they're cracked. And that's why the paint cracks in the body line. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, good brand. Looks like brand new wheels and tires. New front and rear bumpers. Would have had a dealership logo on there. They left the little holes on there. Again, you can nitpick some stuff like that. But man, good car. Good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, those are called OE wheels. Can't say that I'm familiar with them. They look good though. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, real pretty paint. I mean, that thing is slick. Original C code 289 car, factory 2-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. They have upgraded the ignition. Stock in the fact, manual steering, manual brakes, just the way the car would have came. You can see your original VIN number is on your inner apron. And you can see how clean those shock towers are. C4 automatic trans. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. That is a slick car. Power top. 70-some thousand original miles. Again, original 8-pillar chrome, so you can pick at that a little bit. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. Looks like they put new door handles on it. New door rubbers. There's your original doors tag. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Again, look, a good looking red and black interior. Factory bench seat. Again, power top. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all repadded and foamed. Grand steering wheel. It's got a factory dash. Of course, they two-toned it like the interior. $74,997 on your odometer. Factory gauges. AM radio. Did you turn that on, Dale? I didn't turn the radio on either. I don't know if it worked. Pretty sure the blower motor worked. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end with a 280 gear. So definitely something you can cruise on the expressway. This all looks original in here. Your part numbers and everything are still on the inner quarter. So I don't think they've actually changed any quarter panels or anything on it. Again, it's all just painted in the trunk. Good looking car. I love this body style, man. Again, clean underneath. Got you some good pictures at the bottom. Nice car. I just think this is a great body style. Okay. Doors are clean. Seats are nice. New carpet. Again, same thing on this side. You can nitpick the A-pillar chrome. I believe those are available now. Great running through. That's a nice car right there, guys. It's just a good looking body style. Gauge works, temp gauge does work too, guys. Again, it's power top, it works. Brake lights now. There's no reverse lights on it. Get a little rev. No on the radio? No on the radio. Radio is not working, guys. Factory blower does work, yep. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers. We got to fix turn signals up front. We got them unplugged. We got to get something for it. Steve's ordered the part for it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.